V rubriko Glas ljudstva pa nam je tokrat pisala Tanja, ki jo zanima, kako naj odpre nov pokrovček na embalaži mleka in ostalih tekočinah, da ne polije cele kuhinje in si ne poreže prstov.
Ker mi o novih EU pokrovčkih in zamaških vemo približno toliko kot spletni komentatorji o Siriji, se pravi skoraj vse, sam se glede enih stvari pač ne strinjamo.
Ja, zato ker eni pač imamo prav, drugi ste pa slabo informirani.
Ja. Ali ste pa vi čist napačno obveščeni?
A ja, ali pa mogoče.
Saj ni važen, verjetno o tem vseeno največ ve Ursula von der Leyen.
Ja, ali pa.
Ali pa kaj?
Good afternoon, my fellow Europeans, and also hello to you, Tanya. I hope this is not the same Tanya from Slovenia that's calling my office every day because she's quite boring. Yeah, also. But I see that you have a question, so with all my heart and the power of partly unified legislation of many European countries, I will try to answer it. Why do we have to attach bottle caps to bottles? The answer is very simple. Imagine you open a bottle of water here in this meadow. You take a sip, and what happens? The cap drops. A horse steps on it. The horse gets upset. The EU gets upset, and before you know it, we're negotiating a trade deal with veterinarians, and Spain wants out of the Union. Nein, das ist nicht möglich. That is why the new EU rules ensure bottle caps stay attached. It is not just about the environment, it is also about the harmony between man, nature and beverage packaging. And let's not forget, I know a thing or two about keeping things together, whether it is bottle caps or 27 member states. If it can be united, it should be united. That is the European way. And of course, if you have problems with the bottle caps, just do it like I do. Let your butler or your assistant open it for you. Problem solved. So, drink responsibly, my friends, for the environment, for Europe and for the horses. Prost!